Hello students, today we will discuss about the topic water. First, what is the water? The clear liquid that falls as rain and is in rivers, seas and lakes. It is a clear liquid. It is falls on the earth. What is that name? Rain. Do you understand what I am saying? So mostly where will fill this water? Rivers, seas and lakes only. Do you understand what I am saying? We can't survive without water. Definitely, ma, it is true. We can't survive without water. Mm? It is basic need. It is basic needs. Not only for us, all the living organism must want water. Do you understand what I'm saying? So water was once available in the nature freely. Once upon a days, what is it is ரொம்ப ஃப்ரீயாக நமக்கு கிடைச்சது. But nowadays what is that? Nowadays sold in the shop for money. Yeah, we are buying water. No, do you understand what I'm saying? So who did this? Human being only did this. Why? Because we are cutting down the more trees. See, if we cutting down the trees, definitely rain doesn't fall on the earth. Do you understand what I'm saying? So trees is very important. மரங்கள் அதிகமாக இருந்தால் தான் மழை பெய்யும். Do you understand? Water has become scarce nowadays. Now only I told. So we should preserve. It is very important. We should preserve it for our basic needs and also for the needs of future generation. இப்போ நம்ம சேமிச்சு வச்சா தான் ஃபியூச்சரில் வரவங்களுக்கு future generation helpful are going to understand what I am saying. Okay, in this lesson we will study about the sources of water, how to manage water, how it is polluted and how the polluted water causes diseases. We will see one by one. First we will see sources of water. Water is the most abundant substances on the earth. அதிகமாக இருக்கிறது வாட்டர் தான் நம்ம பார்த்துருப்போம். பிகாஸ் two-third of the water occupied in the earth surface. Do you understand what I'm saying? 2/3 means மூணில் ஒரு பங்கு நிலம், மற்ற 2 பங்கு என்னது வாட்டர் தான். Do you understand what I'm saying? So it is also exist as snow and ice on mountains. If you say Arctic region and Antarctic region, there have more snow mountain only. Okay, very good. Next, in the atmosphere, water is present in huge quantities as vapor and clouds. Yeah, atmosphere as air. No, atmosphere has not only air, dust particles also is there. Then huge quantity of water vapor is there only, and clouds also. Okay, the following are the sources of water. They gave 5. We will see one by one. First we will see river water and lake water. See, river is a channel through which fresh water flows. Yes, river is a channel. அது ஒரு என்ன சொல்கிறது, அது ஒரு பாதையாக போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? Then after that it is fresh water. It doesn't have more salt. Channel means கால்வா மாதிரி. ஓகேவா? It doesn't have more salt. It is it is usable water, suitable for drinking and irrigation. Do you understand what I'm saying? Very good, student. Then the origin of river is usually hills or mountain. Our Kaveri river, this Kaveri river only giving for us more water. No, where will first start? Do you know that? Hills only. What is that? Hills only. சின்ன சின்ன குன்றுகள் மலைகள் இருந்தால் தண்ணி வரும். ஓகேவா? அதான் வந்து ரிவராக ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். Do you understand what I'm saying? Then it flows towards ocean, sea and lakes. Yes, it is flows towards எதை நோக்கி போகுது? Ocean, sea and lakes. Okay, lakes is an area filled with water. River going no. So nearby so many lakes are there. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying? So it will fill, that water go and fill that place, that is called lake. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's why they say lake is an area filled with water. Man-made lake. Do you understand man-made lake? See that man-made lakes are created when dam is built on a river is called reservoir. நீர்த்தேக்கங்கள் சொல்லுவாங்க. That Bhavani Sagar reservoir, Metu reservoir. Do you understand what I'm saying? There, what is that? That is called dam. Okay, who created that? Man. So man-made creation, that is. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that is called, what is that? Reservoir. It is 2 more question. What is reservoir? One question will come. How can you write that answer? Man-made lakes created when dam is built on a river is called reservoir. Do you understand what I'm saying? Very good, student. Next, we will see sea water. Due to the presence of more amount of salt, it has more amount of salt. Sea water is called saline water. Sea water என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, saline water, உப்பு நீர் சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகேவா, saline water. It is not suitable for irrigation as well as drinking. We can't drink this water. We can't use irrigation, நீர் பாசனத்துக்கு. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying? Farmers using, no. So we should not, we can't use this water because it has more salt. That's why we call it is saline water. Do you understand? Saline water. Sea water has salinity of approximately 3.5% or 35 parts per thousand. What is it meaning? That every 1000 ml of sea water contains 35 grams of salt is there. Do you understand what I'm saying? 35,000 ml of sea water contains 35 grams of salt is there. You know what I'm saying? So what is that salt name? Sodium chloride. We are using, no, that sodium chloride. Do you understand what I'm saying? So we can't use this water. Very good, student. Next we will see underground water. See that picture, underground water. During rainfall, part of the rainwater gets absorbed in the soil. So during rainfall, part of the rainwater gets absorbed in the soil. First rainfall on the earth. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying? Surface, earth surface. After that, that soil absorb the water. Then it flows through various layers. So many layers are there. The soil has so many layers. Okay, so it is flows through various layers of the soil till it reaches, where is that? Hard rock. பெரிய பாறை. ஓகேவா, hard rock. Okay, it reaches the hard rock where it gets accumulated to form reservoir. So they are accumulated, அங்கே வந்து குவிஞ்சிருக்கும். ஓகேவா, to form reservoir. That is called, what is a reservoir? நீர் தேக்கம். Do you understand what I'm saying? Very good, student. This reservoir of water is the underground water. Do you understand? Then this water may contain soluble salt of calcium and magnesium. Calcium and magnesium, it is kind of salt. Do you understand what I'm saying? It is soluble. It is called soluble salt. Okay, then underground water is made available for human use either as well water or spring water. Well water or spring water. Human being using well water. கிணத்து தண்ணி எடுக்கிறோம்ல, எப்படி எடுக்கிறோம்? பள்ளம் தோண்டி தானே எடுக்கிறோம். So where it is formed on the, what is that, hard rock. That is called, what is that? Reservoir. We are saying reservoir. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's also. Next we will say well water. When the earth surface is dug deep na ரொம்ப ஆழமான பள்ளம் நோண்டுறோம். ஓகேவா, water reservoirs are found above the rocks மேலே தண்ணி இருக்கு. இப்போ தான் நான் சொன்னேன் நான். It is found in where? Above the rocks. The depth of a well varies from place to place. இடத்துக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி ஆழம் மாறுபடும். Do you understand what I'm saying? Well water contains soluble impurities. Depending upon the nature of soil. So what is that? கரையக்கூடிய ஒரு well water contains soluble impurities depending upon the nature of soil. ஸோ அந்த மண்ணை பொறுத்து தான் அந்த impurities, அசுத்தங்களை வந்து soluble ஆகிற மாதிரி மாறும். Do you understand what I'm saying? That's why they say well water contains soluble impurities depending upon the nature of soil. Next we will say spring water. Spring water means நீர் ஊற்றுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. See that picture. That Kutralam Falls, Tada Falls. If you see that mountain, original, where it is forming, mountain form ஆகி கீழே கொட்டும். ஓகேவா, மலையிலேருந்து கீழே கொட்டிட்டு இருக்கும், பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. It is spring water. How can form this? See that sometimes the accumulated underground water applies pressure on the rocks and comes out of the earth's surface in the form of a spring from any available opening. See that sometimes accumulated on the rocks மேலே குவிஞ்சிருக்கிற தண்ணி இருக்குது பார்த்தீங்களா. ஸோ accumulated water applies pressure. If it will get pressure, என்ன ஆகுனா வெளியே வர பார்க்கும். ஓகேவா, வெளியே வர பார்க்கும்போது எந்த இடத்துல வந்து எந்த இடத்துல அதுக்கு வந்து சூட்டபிளான பிளேஸ் இருக்கும், அந்த இடத்துல ஓப்பன் ஆகிடும். மண் ஓப்பன் ஆகி அங்கேருந்து தண்ணி வெளியே வரும். ஓகேவா, இட் இஸ் ஸ்ப்ரிங் வாட்டர். அதான் வார்டன்னு சொல்கிறோம்ல, அதுதான். ஓகேவா, do you understand what I'm saying? This water is called spring water. Okay, spring water usually contains dissolved salt and minerals, but it is free from suspended impurities. It is free from suspended impurities because it has more layers are there. No, அதனால் என்ன பண்ணும், அதுவே க்ளீன் பண்ணி அந்த ராக்ஸு அந்த லேயர்ஸ் எல்லாம், அந்த சாயில் லேயர்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணும், அந்த வாட்டர் இருக்கிற இம்ப்யூரிட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் க்ளீன் பண்ணி சுத்தமான தண்ணி கொடுக்கும். Do you understand what I'm saying? Very good student. It is called spring water. Okay, then we will see water cycle. So I completed sources of water. Now we will be see water cycle. See that continuous movement of water from the earth to the atmosphere and back to the earth is known as water cycle or hydrologic cycle. See, you know that what they are saying, continuous movement of water from the earth to the atmosphere, that is called evaporation. Do you understand what I'm saying? So earthலேருந்து evaporate ஆகி atmosphere போகுது, வளிமண்டலத்துக்கு போகுது. ஓகேவா? After that it will fall on the rain, no? Okay, then what they are saying, back to the earth is known as, அந்த போன அந்த evaporation நீரா மாதிரி தண்ணியை கீழே கொட்டுது. Do you understand what I'm saying? That is called rain. We are saying no. So back to the earth, it will come back to the earth. So it is called, what is that? Water cycle or hydrologic cycle. Hydrologic cycle, நீரியல் சுற்றுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, we will see this method. First we will see evaporation. Some of the method are some of the what is that stages are there. Some of the stages are there. First we will see evaporation. See that evaporation அப்போ தான் சொன்னேன் நான், நீர் ஆவியாக மேலே போகுது. Do you understand what I'm saying? ஆவியாக அதில் சொல்லுவாங்க evaporation. See that the process in which water is changed into water vapor by the heat of the sun is called evaporation. It is very very important. 2 more question answer. See that picture. Now I am explaining here. Listen here and see that picture. You will get confusion. Do you understand what I am saying? Very good. The process in which water is changed into water vapor. Changed into water vapor. Water changed into water vapor by the heat of the sun is called evaporation. Do you understand what I am saying? Very good student. Sir, where will we see this evaporation? So if you know, if you go our kitchen, our mummy preparing the food, if you open the tap, if you open the cap, so you know that white color what is that, white color some layers coming out, no, like smoke, like it is called நீராவின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. What is that? Vapor or water vapor. Okay va? So what is that? What process they are going? Evaporation process they are going. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's why they say the process in which water is changed into water vapor by the heat of the sun is called evaporation. Next stage, condensation. நீர் சுருங்குதல், ஆவி சுருங்குதல் சொல்லுவாங்க. Condensation. See that the process of converting water vapor into water on cooling is called condensation. The process of converting water vapor, what is that? Water vapor into water on cooling is called condensation. Do you understand what I'm saying? It is that water vapor going, what is that? Sky. Do you understand what I'm saying? After that it will be get cool. Do you understand what I'm saying? Cool ஆகிடுச்சுன்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னவா மாறும்? Small tiny droplets மாட்டோம், water droplets மாறிடும். Do you understand what I'm saying? So what they are saying, water vapor in the atmosphere being lighter, okay, rises up and cools down. It further condenses to form tiny water droplets. Do you understand what I'm saying? So என்ன லைட்டராக தான் மேலே போகும், ஏர் மாதிரி தான் மேலே போகும் அந்த வாட் இஸ் தட் வாட்டர் வேப்பர். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன ஆகும், கூலாகி, ஓகேவா, கூலாகி மேலே போக போக கூலாகி என்ன ஆகும், வாட்டர் ட்ராப்லெட், டைனி வாட்டர் ட்ராப்லெட்டாக மாறும். Do you understand what I'm saying? அதுதான் வந்து ஆவி சுருங்குதல் சொல்கிறோம். That is called condensation. Next we will see precipitation, வீழ்வடிதல். See the water droplets join together to form clouds. Yeah, that small tiny particles I told you now, condensation process. That small tiny water particles, droplets, okay, droplets join together form a, what is that? Clouds. Do you understand? That's why they say the water droplets join together to form clouds. As they get cooler, the droplets become bigger and heavier and fall as rain. Okay va? So that huge droplets together form the clouds. I told you that clouds, அதாவது அந்த clouds பெருசாக பெருசாக ரொம்ப huge bigger size மாறும். After that breezer will touch, what is that? Rain, fall on the rain, fall on the earth. What is that? Rain. Do you understand what I'm saying? Very good student. That's why they say the water droplets join together to form clouds. As they get cooler, the droplets become bigger and heavier and fall as rain. Fall as rain. You know, if the air is very cold, ரொம்ப cool ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா, they freeze to fall as hail of snow. That's why we are saying hailstone. What is that name? Hailstone. ஆலங்கட்டி மழை சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, that is if the air is very cold, they freeze to fall as hail of snow. Do you understand what I'm saying? Very good. Next, flowing back to ocean. Flowing back to ocean. See that rainwater forms streams and spring. Rainwater form streams and springs which join together to form a river. Join together to form river. நீரோடை, அப்புறம் வந்து நீர் ஊற்று. ஸ்ட்ரீம்ஸ்னால் நீர் ஊற்று, ஸ்ப்ரிங்ஸ்னால் நீர் ஓடை, ரெண்டுமே ஒன்றா ஜாயின் பண்ணி ஒன்று தான் அது ரிவர். ஆல்ரெடி ஐ எக்ஸ்பிளைன்ட் அபவுட் திஸ். ஓகே, so rainwater forms streams and springs which join together to form rivers. Rivers flow finally into the sea and ocean, thereby completing this cycle. Completing the cycle. Did you understand about water cycle? Yeah, very good student. That's all student. I complete some of the topic we have remaining. We will see later. Today I will give homework. What homework? See that I will give 2 question answer. Very easy ma. Write down the sources of water. It is a question. Now I am read answer. See that the following are the sources of water: river water and lake water, sea water, well water, spring water, underground water. Second question: what are the process involved in the water cycle? Answer: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and flowing back to ocean. Do you understand what I am saying? That's also done. Next I'll give voice message. One question only I give. See that what are the reservoirs? Very important question ma. Man-made lakes created when dam is built on a river is called reservoir. Again one time I will read this. What are reservoirs? Answer: man-made lakes created when dam is built on a river is called reservoir. That's all student. Thank you.